Today was the launching of our 25-26 voter registration week in all of the high schools. And we're here at L.W. Higgins High School, where the students were just energized to be a part of having the opportunity to learn that their voices count. They need to be registered voters so they can participate in the democratic process. An organized effort is the best way to make sure that it happens. You know, it's just like anything else. People put it off and it doesn't get done.
And the fact that you get an opportunity to participate in something that allows you to dictate how we function today, but also what our immediate future looks like. We have a lot of people here, adults, that are going to give you some guidance and good words of encouragement, but also for you to get you to better understand why this is such an important endeavor.
Jeremiah has been doing voter registration since 2002. So Jefferson Parish designated us to be the official organization to go into their high school. And so we're there. We just want to make sure they understand the questions that's being asked and that they give us the pertinent information that's needed to become a voter.
I think the Jeremiah group made it convenient to register to vote today, honestly. So I think it was very great of them to help us register to vote and make it easier.
It made it easier for me to do the process because they kind of just ran everything down, everything that we had to do, and they kind of just talk you through it, how to do everything so you don't get confused about anything.
Your voice makes a difference, and your voice exacts change.
Go register to vote, please. You know, when things change, a lot of us complain, we make it on Facebook. You have the voice to go, speak out against certain things you may not like or speak for things you may want or wish for. So please, go vote, go register to vote.